What's your tag? What's your tag?
Oh my God.
Here, clear this area. You got the smallest gun? Here. Okay, we're gonna move up. Follow him, covers back.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
Whoa. Okay, don't friendly fire. We're all friendlies in the building.
No, not in here.
Hey, we need someone to come with us. We're gonna take the building across the street.
Yep.
Where's your buddy at?
Sorry, we're with you.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Clear? Yeah, that's clear. Hey, I'm going in that building. Okay. Hit? Oh, man. Whoa. Okay, okay. It's all upstairs friendly?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, it's this whole building.
They're starting to storm left side, like. Oh, whoa. Is that Ricochet or what? Yeah, that's Ricochet. Who's shooting?
We gotta get up there. I can't believe it. Oh man, good shot. Yellow?
Where's he at?
What?
Where's he at?
Well, there's one guy right there, and I don't know if it's yellow or not. I got six.
Oh, oh. On. Ooh. It's raining over there. There's one guy in the corner over there. Whoa.
Is that our team schematic?
I don't even know if one teammate. I don't even know if it's yellow or what. Oh, it's not yellow. Oh wait, he is yellow and he's shooting at us. Whoa.
Sorry.
Startled. Is that guy yellow or what?
Yeah, they're not fucking yellow.
Over there in the building right there on the left.
Those are friendlies.
No, on the left though.
Those are friendlies over there. Those are friendlies. I'm going to shoot.
Yeah, all we got like
That's our team. That's our team?
That's our team?
The one with the back gate's right there.
Yeah. What building are they in?
The 3-story.
Wait, the building right next to us? Or the
Oh, hold on, hold
One
on.
car over there. Those guys over there are friendly. Pretty sure.
Alright. Hey, I'm gonna break across. I need covering fire.
I'll come.
You're gonna go with me?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, go.
Go.
Good one.
All right. Behind you, yeah?
Hey, you get it? Coming! Coming! Flip!
They're all in that corner by the car.
Coming! Pacheco! Tony!
They're all at the car.
They're on the car?
Yeah. I saw like 4 kids actually run towards the car.
Let's move. All 4 of us, come on. Hey, get out of the door, come on. Go ahead.
What did we tell you?
Are you in this building? Okay, spot.
Good night.
Okay, so straight across the door.
I've been out for a while. Oh, for real? Yeah, you feel it.
Join me. Guys ready?
Wait, here's the reload.
Ready to move? We're gonna cut straight across, alright?
Alright.
You good? Good. There's a fogging problem. I'm defogging right now.
Okay. Good enough for now. Alright. Am I gonna crazy shooting? Oh no! What? Could have been wrong. You got it?
When you're ready, stack up.
Alright.
Alright, you want me one? Which building are we trying to take right now? Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Cut it right across, alright?
Right.
Ready? Go!
Front side of the building, and we have one guy in this corner.
You know what? You move still in the back? Or just
To the left.
Alright.
You good?
Yeah.
You guys want to move it, you cover.
Okay.
Alright.
You need to move up the side. You ready?
Go. Up. Up. Wait, oh. Yep. There now. Yeah. But there's one kid aiming inside that bottom hole. Hey. Can you fit it?
Caleb, where you at?
Right here. Come on.
All right.
Hey.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hey, get up here. We're gonna push right now.
Rushing?
Yep.
Yep.
All right. Reload. Hold on. Don't move yet.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Right.
You point or what? You want me
Point.
to? Ready?
All right.
Set.
Go.
1, 2, go.
Oh, watch out! Watch
Good
out!
point, man.
Oh. Whoa! Oh shoot! Out! Woo! Woo! Yeah.
We're on the pony.
Woo!